I get it, that some credit repair company had contacted you, that they can help you fix your credit errors for a fee. But I am also emphasizing it to you today that you can correct credit errors by yourself at absolutely no cost. Thank you for subscribing to Buy Profitable Houses channel, your channel for real estate and investment information. My name is Hayo Ohiekbade, and today I will be showing you how to correct errors on your credit report. But first, what is a credit report? A credit report, according to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, is a statement that has information about your credit activities and current credit situation, such as loan paying history and the status of your credit accounts. In other words, it is a simple breakdown of how much debt you have acquired in the past, and if you paid the necessary debt commitment on time or not. Meanwhile, your credit score is a mathematically generated figure representing a summary of your credit report. The credit report is usually developed by organizations called Credit Reporting Company, also known as Credit Bureau. The major credit bureaus are Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Have you ever wondered how credit bureaus get your data? You are thinking, they got it magically. Nope, they don't have any mystical magical box for viewing your credit activities. Your banks, your credit card companies, your mortgage lenders are the ones supplying them with your information. The content of your credit report includes your personal information, your public records, your credit accounts, and the list of companies that have requested information on your credit history. Your credit report is very important because landlords may use it to determine if you are the kind of tenant that can fulfill your rent obligation, or insurance companies to determine how risky you are in quoting your premium, or mortgage companies to determine the kind of loan product that you are eligible for, and at what interest rate, or licensing authority to determine your credibility for approving such license. Yeah, your credit report is absolutely very important, and you therefore need to watch it carefully to maintain a favorable report. So how does it look like? Don't forget that a credit report is a document containing your personal information, your credit account history, your credit inquiries, and public records. Now, let's break it down. Number 1. Your personal information. This segment of the credit report will show your past and present legal name as well as your aliases, your date of birth, your social security number, your phone contact details, your home address, and your employers. Number 2. Your credit account history. This segment will show all your credit accounts, including credit cards, auto loans, and every other installment loans that you have acquired. It will also show the payment history on those accounts and the account balances. The beauty of this segment is that you know what borrowed and didn't borrow. So if an item appears on your credit history that you didn't acquire, that simply means someone has stolen your identity and has been acquiring debt in your name. Number 3. Your public record. The public record segment will show if you have ever declared for bankruptcies, and the type of bankruptcies you filed in. For more information on filing for bankruptcies and the implication, please check our video on declaring bankruptcies and the implications. It is very important to always check the details of your credit report. This is because any form of documentation may be subjected to non-intentional human errors, and you don't want to be punished for someone else's error. Apart from human errors, someone else may be using your identity to acquire loans that you are not benefiting from, and you want to be able to stop identity theft as soon as possible. Please understand that the federal law gives you the right to challenge any wrong information on your credit report. You will also be glad to know that it will cost you nothing as in nada to file a dispute over wrong information on your credit report. I get it, that some credit repair company had contacted you, that they can help you fix your credit errors for a fee. But I am also emphasizing it to you today that you can correct credit errors by yourself at absolutely no cost. To dispute a wrong information on your credit report, you will need to fill a dispute form online and write a letter of dispute to the Credit Bureau, using the address on your credit report. You will also need to attach documentation supporting your dispute. You will then copy the same letter to the company that supplied the wrong information. The mailing address of the three main credit bureau are Equifax, Equifax Information Services LLC, P.O. Box 740,256, Atlanta, GA 30,348, Experian, P.O. Box 4,500, Allen, Texas TX 75,013, TransUnion, TransUnion LLC Consumer Dispute Center, P.O. Box 2000, Chester, PA 19,016. Now that you have filled a dispute form and sent the mail, what next? The credit bureau is compelled by law to investigate your dispute within 30 days of receiving your mail. And if your dispute is verified, they are expected to get the reporting company to correct the error and send the correction to the other two credit bureau. But if the report is right and your dispute is inaccurate, they still owe you explanation on why they believe that their report is the fact. Meanwhile, you have an annual right to a free copy of your credit report. To order your free copy of your credit report, visit annualcreditreport.com. So in summary, get a copy of credit report. Check it carefully to see that there is no error or someone else using your details to get loans. If you notice any error, fill a dispute form and write a mail to the credit bureau. They are required by law to investigate your dispute. Thank you for watching this video. You can also share the video with your friends. You never can tell which of your friends is presently suffering from stolen identity or credit report error. You can browse through our channel for more real estate and investment videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.